Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install FileZilla in your Windows 11. So open any web browser and search FileZilla. You will see this official link. Select it, then select any version, download FileZilla client or download FileZilla server. Pick the client if you want to transfer file, get the server if you want to make files available for others. So select this one. Then click on download FileZilla client. Please select your edition of FileZilla client. This is the Pro version and this is the more powerful version. But in case you want to a personal use, so click on this first one. Now once download is complete, double click on the setup file. Then click on I agree. Click on next, and click on install. Then click on finish. Now open it. So this way guys, you can download and install FileZilla in your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.